Having innovation in the supply chain is critical, and technology like Vector really helps us future-proof our supply chain in a lot of different ways. This is just the start of things, and we are going to continue to push forward.
So that's when we brought in Vector, who actually had top-of-the-line electronic bill of lading product, and get away from those manual touch points and digitize that in a way where it's seamless for the driver, seamless for the shipper. Really was kind of a no-brainer of an immediate win and come up with a solution that can scale.
The project itself quickly showed that this also significantly improved the visibility, the transparency, and ultimately the performance of the organization, and brought us years ahead from where we were before.
People will be able to get in and out of facilities faster and smoother with less friction, which meant they could get back on the road and get products back into people's hands. It's elevated the entire supply chain, and it's elevated the industry.
At one point in time, we had 60 different scenarios of specific use cases that might arise during a shipment. And what this has done is allowed us to think about how technology can solve for each one of those workflows. The entire workflow is based around eBOL, so it's integrated into the process we already leverage today.
A driver can expect much shorter dwell times. They're able to enter facilities and exit facilities much faster. Drivers are able to check in on the mobile app, get the bill of lading signed for it. They're able to document the trailer seal by taking a photograph. And after that's done, they're able to exit the facility. And so at some of our facilities, we're seeing a turnaround time of just 11 minutes.
As we've learned over the 9 months that we've been in operations, our challenges continue to diminish. It's been great. We're looking to expand to more of our facilities.
The post-audit proof of delivery process that you currently go through, where you're going through reams of paperwork to verify the quantities that have been delivered and signed off on, you now start to create what I think is like a blockchain environment where the shipper, the receiver, and the carrier now have access to an electronic document that says, okay, this is what really happened. If we can get behind this, then the cost of goods to the consumers stays as is, and we stay competitive.
When you think about drivers, they're very time sensitive. Every minute that you take away from them being on the road is money out of their pocket. And so being able to keep drivers on the road as much as possible is really important.
Having the innovation in the supply chain and continuing to press the envelope forward and evolve and be bold is critical.
Because we're living in a world where speed matters. We're living in a world where consumer demand and expectations are changing, seems like every single quarter.